Hi guys, in this video I want to show you what is show trade levels. Okay, I have this check here, so let's go to the chart and see an example. Okay, so in this chart we see New Zealand USD on the daily time frame. So what you see here, a hashtag and some reference number, these are your trade levels. Okay, we have a TP, a red color dotted line here, and we have sell, 0.1. What are these? Okay, these are your lot sizes that you entered. Okay, so if the price is up here and your sell position is down here, it's just obviously showing you that you are in a losing position. So what you will see on your, what page is this called, trade page, right? I think it's called trade page. Yeah, you will see negative, right? So this is what we call a losing position or positions, because I have so many losing positions. And another term for it is what we call floating. Okay, floating as in like the floating negative. Okay, let's go back to the trade levels again. So if you uncheck this, if you go to settings and you uncheck the show trade levels, okay, you have a cleaner picture. So sometimes you just want a fresh naked chart for you to do your analysis. Okay, disregard all the trade levels that you have. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Let's move on to the next one.